Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best control arm bushing kits is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components in your vehicle's suspension system, directly impacting handling, ride comfort, and tire wear. Upgrading these can transform your driving experience, offering a tighter, more responsive feel that makes every turn and every mile more enjoyable, ensuring your car performs at its peak potential on the road. Number 5. Detroit Axle 15PC Suspension Kit for GMC Chevy. Upgrade your 4WD GMC or Chevy truck with this comprehensive 15-piece front-end suspension kit. It includes everything needed to restore optimal handling and stability. Each component is built to withstand the toughest conditions, undergoing rigorous testing for impact, wear, and fatigue. You can trust its quality and long-lasting durability. This kit is designed for specific 4WD models, including the Tahoe, Yukon, K1500, K2500, and Cadillac Escalade. Please check compatibility for your specific year and options. Inside, you'll find upper and lower control arms, ball joints, sway bars, tie rods, a pitman arm, an idler arm, and all necessary sleeves and brackets for a complete installation. We stand behind our products with a 10-year warranty, giving you peace of mind and confidence in your purchase. Say goodbye to worn-out suspension parts. This kit will help bring back a smooth, comfortable ride and precise control to your vehicle. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive solution for your front suspension needs. It's built to withstand rigorous demands and comes with a long warranty for peace of mind. If you're looking for a complete overhaul and long-term reliability for your 4WD GMC or Chevy truck, this is a solid choice. What people say. Every pace was a direct fitment with no issues. After torquing everything down and test driving had no noises or vibrations. Grease fittings were easy to service. Many of these parts were an exact fit. Everything else fit and has worked as it should. Once getting the old parts off, it was easy to install and you can feel the difference with the durability of the new parts. The parts were a perfect fit on my 2008 Nissan Titan. The drive is 1,000 times smoother and the shocks absorb impact well. Number 4. MOOG K3128 Suspension Control Arm Bushing Kit. Introducing the MOOG K3128 Suspension Control Arm Bushing Kit, designed for a perfect fit. Ensure compatibility by checking the Amazon-confirmed fit bar before purchasing. This kit is engineered to fit a range of Jeep models including Cherokee, Comanche, Grand Cherokee, Wagoneer, and Wrangler from various years. Always verify fitment with your specific vehicle details. Experience optimized quiet operation with this part. It's designed to resist wear from salt, road grime, and oils, ensuring longevity. Our product features an OE-style design, meaning it meets or exceeds the original equipment requirements for your vehicle. MOOG engineers conduct comprehensive testing throughout the design and development process. You can count on the quality and reliability of this part. What we like. Engineered for a quiet ride and enhanced durability, this component is designed to meet or exceed original equipment standards. If you prioritize a smooth, quiet driving experience and want parts that are built to last against road contaminants, consider this option for your Jeep. What people say. They work and fit properly. Fit my 1988 XJ just fine. The new bushing was in the freezer for a while since I was using a propane torch to heat and expand the housing on the axle. I just tapped in the new bushing. There was no issue with the bolts. Number 3. Prothane 1-1205 Red Front Track Arm Bushing Kit. Introducing the Prothane 1-1205 Red Front Track Arm Bushing Kit. Engineered for a perfect fit, it ensures your vehicle performs at its best. Experience a precision fit thanks to its expertly fabricated design. This guarantees optimal performance and ease of installation. It holds super grease, which means quiet operation for a smoother ride. Enjoy a more comfortable driving experience. Crafted with premium-grade polyurethane components, this kit offers durability and reliability. It's built to last. This kit provides the necessary rigidity for improved handling and performance. Feel the difference in control and stability. What we like. Experience a precise fit and enhanced lubrication for quieter operation. These premium polyurethane parts are designed for rigidity and performance. If you're looking for improved handling and a more responsive feel in your TJ, this kit is a great upgrade. What people say. These fit the stock track bar and stock bolt nut combo on my 2002 TJ very well. They were easy to install and seem like their quality. Bushing fit was very tight both in the track bar end, I used a press to install, and in the bracket on the axle itself. Fixed my wobble. The slop is gone from my 2002 Jeep TJ and it doesn't rattle my brain around when I hit 55 miles per hour anymore. Number 2. MOOG K6327 Control Arm Bushing Kit. Introducing the MOOG K6327 Suspension Control Arm Bushing Kit, designed for your Chevrolet C1500. Experience reliable performance backed by superior materials and rigorous testing. Our innovative design ensures a fast and hassle-free installation. We've engineered it to solve common problems, saving you time and effort. This kit is precisely engineered for quiet operation. It effectively inhibits wear caused by salt, road grime, and oils, ensuring a smoother ride. Crafted from high-quality elastomer compounds, it offers exceptional durability and enhanced ride performance. You can trust its longevity. Designed to meet or exceed original equipment requirements, it provides a perfect fit. You get quality that matches your vehicle's standards. Undergoing comprehensive evaluation by MOOG engineers, this product guarantees quality you can count on. We ensure it performs under demanding conditions. What we like. Get dependable performance with easy installation thanks to innovative design. Made from high-quality elastomer compounds, it ensures durability and a great ride. If you're a Chevrolet C1500 owner seeking a hassle-free replacement that offers both longevity and ride quality, this is the one. What people say. Product is true to description and shipment arrived right on time. Product size were correct and parts looked fairly new and not used like the other sellers. Great bushings for a pro installer. MOOG is always good product. Number 1. MOOG K304 Suspension Control Arm Bushing Kit. Introducing the MOOG K304 Suspension Control Arm Bushing Kit, designed for your Chevrolet Corvette. Experience reliable performance backed by superior materials and rigorous testing. Our innovative design ensures a fast and hassle-free installation process. We've engineered these bushings to solve common problems and get you back on the road quickly. Enjoy a quieter ride thanks to highly precise engineering. These bushings are optimized to inhibit wear and protect against road grime, salt, and oils. Crafted from premium elastomer compounds, they offer exceptional durability and enhance your vehicle's ride performance. You can trust in their long-lasting quality. Designed to meet or exceed original equipment requirements, they provide a perfect fit. You can be confident in their engineered quality and performance. Each component undergoes comprehensive evaluation by MOOG engineers. This rigorous testing ensures the quality and reliability you can count on for your vehicle. What we like. Enjoy optimized quiet operation and durability with parts engineered to match OE specifications. Crafted from high-quality elastomer compounds, it provides excellent ride performance. If you own a Chevrolet Corvette and want to restore its original ride comfort and handling with reliable, long-lasting components, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Excellent quality. Fits perfectly. These MOOG bushing fit the lower control arms on my C3 Corvette perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.